Welcome to House of Hybrid channel. My name is Renato and today we are going to teach you how to replace your cabin air filter on a third generation Prius from 2010 to 2015. Will be the same process, and also on the plug-in models of that generation. So, and I'll be listing below where you can get those cabin air filters on a good price. Alright, so let's do it. Those filters are located inside the glove compartment. So first thing you do, you will remove the plastic shock out of this pin. Then you pull out. Then inside here you're gonna see a little tray, and on the right side there's a tab where you push, and then when you tilt it to the side, you just pull to you. So inside here will be your filter. In this case, it is already dirty, but also there's a little graffiti color, because those have graffiti inside. Those that we are replacing with is completely white. There's no graffiti, so it's easy for you to see if it's getting dirty or not, even though the graffiti filters a little better. So I prefer to use this because visually you can see when it's really dirty. I prefer to change when it starts getting gray. Right? So the way you're gonna put it, the smaller side, because it's a rectangle shape, the smaller side you'll be sliding in like this. It's going to go in the direction of the car. So in most of the time the line is going to be like this. Okay, so you will be, even though it looks like it's smaller than the hole, if you see it's a little smaller, make more sense this, but it's not. It's like this because inside the tunnel where you put in this, there's a little curve, and you won't be able to push in all the way if you put on sideways. So make sure you put in that direction. So we will slide this into the hole. It's gonna go easy into it. You don't need to apply any power. If you apply it, you might put it in the wrong direction. It seems to be a tiny bit out, but that's the way, because that's gonna cover the rest. We're gonna slide this tab into the right side first, push it in, and then wait for the click, and it's all in place now. Now you're gonna get these little clips and slide into those little bars. Make sure you hold your plastic shock to get the hole into the pin. Push it in. Now it's in place, and now just push all the way in. There's a little, and you're gonna hear the big click, and it's all in place. Now make sure it's working fine, and it's all good. So that's how it's done. I hope that was helpful, and I see you guys next video. Thank you.